You know what? Today I'm gonna unbox a cool thing. Little pieces, feeds the dying light in your eyes. I see something to believe in. Baby, you're a fountain of my desire, and I'm floating you inside of you. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for my all new videos updates. Hey, what's up guys, Nitin here again with a new video, and today in this video I'm going to unbox and review Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation new speaker which is launched few days ago in India. I get it from Amazon.in, and as you can see the box is delivered to my address, and now I'm gonna unbox it and show you what thing we got in this box, and also I'm going to review and test the sound quality. So keep watching this video because Amazon said sound quality is improved in new Echo Dot. So let's see how is sound quality of new Echo Dot 3rd generation speaker. Let's go. So guys, here's the box. Let's open it. Let me bring a knife. Okay. Nicely packed. Almost open. And here a piece of paper so big for safety. Second thing is receipt and bill. Okay, keep it aside. And last thing in the box is the main Echo Dot box, which is feels so heavy in my hand. Let's check out the weight of this thing. Okay, so 485 grams. It's about a half kg. Let's open it. Okay, so here's the actual box of this main product, Echo Dot. Okay, let's see the overview of this box. Add Alexa to any room. Alexa, play the latest Bollywood hits. Main features: Amazon logo, speaker image in 3D, far field voice control. On the right side of the box, Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out. MRP is 4999 and content 1 unit. 1 unit adapter. Net quantity 1 unit. Country of origin is China, of course China. Month and year of manufacture August 2018. Amazon Echo Dot. And this side of the box some more features you can read. Top of the box Amazon logo. This side of the box we get Amazon Music, Ola, some main skills here mentioned. Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation, power adapter 15 watt. Bottom of the box some barcodes and serial numbers. Now it's time to open this box. Let me bring my knife and I'm gonna cut this seal. Okay, and let's open it. Whoa, here Amazon logo, and box from inside is black, and here the main unit. Let me take it in my hand, and yeah, I feel nice weight in it. Let's check the weight, and the actual weight of this speaker is 285 gram. It's a very good weight, and I expect a nice sound also. Here's some more user manuals and user guides, same as before. Echo Dot. This one is quick start guide, I think. Yeah, you can check out. If you first time connecting your device, then you need to check out. And this one's user guide, I think, in many languages. That's good. Okay, let's see the next thing what we got in this box. So as I see here, a power adapter in white color, a piece of plastic, keep it aside, and here's the main adapter, and nothing else in box, keep it aside this box, close it. So here is the main power adapter, this time in nice white color, wire is also white. Here this type of power connector we get, and this time no micro USB. An adapter and speaker color completely match in white color. It's a nice improvement. Okay, let me remove the lamination. Now here's a shiny brand new Echo Dot new adapter in white color. Looks nice and strong. This adapter is 15 watt. Now let's open this cable and check out how long this cable and quality of this cable. As I see, the cable length is very good, thumbs up for this, and it's about 2 meters. And now let's check the main speaker. Let me remove the lamination of this speaker also. Nicely packed. And yeah, really nice to hold in my hand. And as I see the new design, new size, new weight, everything is new. Thumbs up. Nice build quality. Here's the buttons, nice to feel and clicky. Here 4 holes for microphones. Around the speaker, nice fabric which is nicely fit on speaker. Here we get 2 ports, one for power source and second is for aux output. Bottom of speaker made by rubber for grip. Here some information mentioned and also Amazon logo, some serial numbers and barcode, and nice grip on it, I think. Let's check out. Yeah. So now this time to check out this speaker. That's all thing we get in the box. Now I'm going to power up this speaker. Let me connect the adapter, and this is so easy to connect, more than micro USB. Here's the blue light turn on as a Echo Dot 2nd generation. And whoa, wow, really loud.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Your device is ready.
Alexa, what's your name?
Are you trying to be like Jai from Sholay? But I'm no Basanti. मेरे नाम Alexa है.
Oh. Alexa, play I'm a Mess song.
I'm a Mess from your library. Starting now on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. As you can see, sound is very loud. Alexa, turn on Bluetooth.
Searching. Now connected to Nitin plus Green.
Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, volume 7. Alexa, volume 10. So loud. Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, stop.
You can control Bluetooth audio from your phone or tablet.
Okay.
device received an important update and will restart. It will be ready again shortly.
Alexa, make me sleep.
Welcome to Help Me Sleep. Relax and get ready to sleep. Lie down, flat on your back. Keep
Alexa,
your eyes
stop. Alexa, play rain and thunder sound.
Rain and Thunder Sound by White Noise Lab, starting now on Amazon Music.
So guys, as you can see, very nice improvement in new Echo Dot 3rd generation speaker. I really impressed, and good job from Amazon this time. Really nice sound quality and build quality, design and everything, and also matching by power adapter to speaker. And this is called a smart speaker, not only a smart device, this is a smart speaker, because sound is also important if it is a Bluetooth speaker. Thank you Amazon for this beautiful speaker. So guys, that's it in this video. Hope you like. If you like, hit the like button and share this video. And yes, if you're new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for me all upcoming video update, because I'm going to make some more videos about this Echo Dot 3rd generation speaker. I have the 2nd generation speaker also, so I'm gonna do comparison video between these both speaker. Here is the Echo Dot 3rd generation, which is really impressive. I like it. So for now, that's it in this video. Now I have to go. Catch you again in my next video. Just keep watching, take care of yourself, and see you again. Bye bye.